How to fix Telegram translations disabled problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram and log into your account. After you're logged into your account, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then in here, simply click on Settings. After you've clicked on Settings, in Settings, scroll down and click on Language. After you have clicked on Language, in here, you'll find these options. Click on Show Translate button at the top. After that, your translation will be enabled. Make sure you choose Language at the bottom as well. After you have turned on Show Translate button, you can simply go to Chats and translate your chats. If it still does not fix your problem, what you can do is simply copy the text you want to translate and go to Google and search for Google Translate. Paste your text in here and translate it to your language. This is how to fix Telegram translation disabled problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.